Well, here's my general radio sound level calibrator for use with the sound level meter. I'm going to try and calibrate it. It hasn't been calibrated since 1974, if you believe the paperwork. Unfortunately, when I got in the calibrator, it uses this old round P6 9-volt battery. Which I don't have and don't know how to source. So I've sort of jury-rigged a regular 9-volt battery to it. So according to this, it's calibrated at 114 decibels. At 2000, and that's 116. 1000 is about 114. 500 is about 111. 250 is kind of off the scale there. 125 is about close to 100. I wanted to show everybody what a well-packed vintage item from a seller on eBay looks like. A nice sheet of foam over everything. We have a couple of speakers in there protected by foam and air wrap. We have an air bubble wrap. And the prize, I believe that's a 1966 Norelco stereo Continental 450 cassette recorder. So when you pack stuff like that, buyer can get a result like this. So I want to thank Joel in West Virginia for this packing job. Here's my 3 clones of the Philips N2200 cassette player. I've already shown the Norelco 2200 and the tune tripper there in the middle from Ampex or AST. And here's the latest one I've gotten. This is the Bell & Howell 292. It's except for the markings, it's identical to the others. Looks like it was made in the 45th week of 1968. Uses 6 C cells. And here they use numbers to identify the 292 instead of words like they do on the badge. They also use 292 on the box as digits. The one thing I don't have is the Philips 2200. I guess I should pick one of those up. With the acquisition of this one here, the C611, I'll now have 4 of the 5 new Columbia radio models from 1961, 1962. The only one left to get is this one. Not enough time for a band scan on the 62 Columbia C611.
Tax additional charge for extras. Copyright 2015, doctors.
But I do get stations, AM and FM. It's going to need some work though. Probably a tube layout over there on the left if I wanted to take the chassis out right now, but I don't. Well, thank you, Kusagami-san. Here's a Sounds to Remember demonstration tape for the Norelco Continental 401 reel-to-reel tape recorder. Recorded in 4 speeds. Lots of selections. Now all I need is a Continental 401 reel-to-reel tape recorder, and I can play it. And then maybe if I get 13 more Continental 401 tape recorders, I can break open these sealed packages and play those too. You can't have too much of a good thing. Although in this case, maybe I do.